Hey, so what do you need for this course? You'll need to download the exercise files. Now the exercise files will be available in a link in the description or the comments of this very page. So go and download those before you get started. Also, what you can do during this course is I've got something called the completed files, and all they are is at the end of every video tutorial that I do, right at the end I save it, bundle it up, call it a completed file, and it means that you can download it from that very page. And if yours is looking a little different from mine, okay, you can download it and compare the two, your one versus my one, and just see what it is different, okay, and help kind of maybe diagnose any problems you might have. Yeah, so let's get started. One thing you can do is whenever you're like loving this course, okay, a review, it's a bit early for me to ask now, but when you get to this stage where you're like, this is a good course, leave me a review. Reviews are the lifeblood of me and my training career, okay, it's what helps other people find my courses. So a review, an honest review whenever you're ready would be awesome. Let's get into the course, learn some Premiere.